Prepare the jelly according to the instructions on the package, subtracting 50 ml of water. Put the biscuits on the bottom. Boil milk, remove from heat, add gelatin and mix. Put the cheesecake curd in the larger bowl. Add the cream. Add powdered sugar. Add vanilla sugar and mix it with a spoon. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of cheese mass to the still warm and liquid gelatin and mix it with a rod. Add another 2 or 3 tablespoons of cheese mass and mix again with a rod. Repeat with a few more spoons of cheese mass. Then put the whole thing into the remaining cheese in the bowl and mix it with a rod. Add 2/3 of the rinsed and dry strawberries cut into halves, mix gently with a spoon and put at the bottom of the biscuits. Put in the fridge for about half an hour. During this time the jelly will cool down and the cheesecake will set slightly. Pour some jelly on cheesecake. Press the rest of the strawberries cut in slices into it. Pour the rest of jelly with a spoon. Place in the fridge until completely set.